Welcome to Design Fitness. I'm Noel Miller, self-care expert and specialist in exercise prescription. So I'll be giving you a quick rundown today on what is self-care. What do I really do? How is it different than the other models of health and wellness? So self-care really is dealing with health on the level of the body healing itself. So we're not particularly adding any foreign agents to the body. We are just allowing the body to do its own thing. That being said, we work on restoring or helping the system in the body that restores and replenishes the body. So a good example of this, just to get an idea, is when you get a cut, it will heal over, it will scab, and then it will regenerate itself. This is the process, visually, if you will, of the system restoring itself, or the body taking care of its own needs. Now, this exact same cut or harm can happen either mentally, physically, or emotionally in the style of pain or discomfort in knee, back, any kind of injury that way, in the discomfort in stress, burnout, frustration. This is more of a mental scar, if you will, and that of the emotions, disorientation, feeling of unfulfillment, not knowing where to go, confusion in the process of life, what's important to me. This is going to be an emotional scar. All these three things really impact the health of the individual. Therefore, in our way of addressing these things, we take a look at removing the blocks to the body restoring itself. We know the body is always and continuously restoring and rebuilding itself, and therefore, anytime it's not happening, there must be something blocking this process from happening. And using self-care and our techniques, we're aiming to unblock so the body can heal itself, and there is no better healer than the body. Thank you very much for listening. This is a quick insight into how self-care works and what it addresses, and that is the system of the body that restores and replenishes itself. Thank you very much.